Hello children, welcome to online class. This is the second part of our lesson, a trip to Bhopal. In first part, we have learned that a school trip is going to Bhopal by bus. So two teachers were discussing how many buses they would require. So one of the teacher is saying 4 buses we need. Another teacher is saying 5 buses. So they counted first how many children are going. So about 210 children were there. So in one big bus, they were planning to take 50 children. So considering 50 children in one bus, they decided to go by 4 buses. Remaining 10 children can easily, adjust in 200 children, mean 4 buses. But what happened? When they saw the buses, they were mini in size. So there was an argument. So the conductor said, we do not have big buses, so I brought mini buses. Now mini buses could take only 35 children in one bus. So 210 children were there. So at last, how many buses? They decided 210 children and 6 mini buses. Okay, so this we have learnt in first part. Okay children, so now let's learn further. Now the journey begins. Come on now, get in fast. It's already 9 o'clock, teacher is saying. As the buses start moving, children sing at the top of their voices. You know, when the trip will go to any place, the children will be in excitement. So they were singing loudly. Some look outside to enjoy the view of the green fields and the hills. So as you know, we can enjoy while going to the trip. So some of the children were looking outside through the window to enjoy green fields and hill area. Indra, when will we reach Bhopal? Miss Asha, if we don't stop anywhere, we should reach there in 2 hours. Okay, one of the child is asking, ma'am, when will we reach? So Miss Asha, who is teacher, is saying within 2 hours if we do not stop anywhere. Now they started journey at 9 o'clock and now within 2 hours means that is around 9 plus 2. What? 11 o'clock. Manjit, is it very far? Mr. Bhimsen, it's about 70 kilometer. It is about 70 kilometer. Now Ruby, are we going to stop anywhere? Mr. Rakesh, maybe at Bhimbetka, about 50 kilometer from here. Okay, so the total distance were 70 kilometer and they were going to stop at Bhimbetka, which was 50 kilometer. Now if they go to Bhimbetka, they will reach there now before 10 o'clock, between 10 to 11 or after 11 o'clock. Now think, they started their journey at 9 o'clock. They were going to reach to the destination, that is 70 kilometer, after 2 hours. Okay, means 11 o'clock. Now they are planning to stop in between, that is 50 kilometer. Now you have to find out at what time they are going to reach to Bhimbetka. Come on. Now, how? Suppose 70 km distance is there. They are going to cover in 2 hours. How many hours? 2 hours. 70 km, 2 hours. Means in 1 hour, 35 kilometers. In 1 hour, 35 kilometers. Now, here they are going 50 kilometers. Okay, means they started from 9 o'clock. Then 1 hour means 10 o'clock. 35 kilometer over. Now remaining is 15 kilometer. Okay, now means definitely they will reach after 10 o'clock. Okay, not before 10, not after 11 also, means 10 to 11. Understand? Yes, next. So this is the correct answer. As they are talking, Bahadur shouts, "Hey, look at the Narmada." Everyone looks out of the windows. Now Narmada is a river. Yes, in Bhopal. Now they were looking, wow, it is so long and so wide. Let us guess how wide is this? How wide it is. Now you can see the Narmada River. It's so long and so wide. Long and wide. Now they are saying we will guess how long it is. Next. Gopi. 100 meters? No, it is much more. Can't say. Gopi is guessing. Victoria. It must be more than half a kilometer. More than half kilometer means 500 meter. Okay, more than half kilometer. Half kilometer means 500 meters. Okay, now who is saying Victoria? Miss Asha, look, it is written this bridge is 756.82 meters long. Now the exact how long it is? 756.82 meters long. So we can guess that the Narmada must be about 500 meters wide at this place. Now they are guessing about how much width of Narmada River is. Okay, how wide Narmada River is. They are guessing about 500 meters wide at this place. Now was Victoria right? Victoria was saying it must be more than half a kilometer. Okay, and here also they are saying about 500 meters means correct. Now Sadaf, I just can't imagine 500 meters. Now half kilometer Sadaf is not able to imagine. Can you imagine 500 meters distance? Yes, easily you can imagine. How? Consider our main gate, school gate, okay, to our classroom. How much that distance will be? Come on, you have ran 200-meter race, 300-meter race, 100-meter race. So 100-meter race means, yes, consider our top ground. Yes, that is 100-meter around. Then like that 5 times means 500 meters. Okay, Miss Asha, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Now Miss Asha is explaining how to imagine 500 meters distance. Miss Asha, see, our bus is about 5 meters long. Bus is 5 meters long. Okay. Imagine how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge. Okay. Now the bridge is 756 meter long. 756 meter long. Now 5 meter one bus is. Now how many buses can stand in a line on this bridge? So how to calculate? 756 divided by 5. Okay, can you divide? Yes, divide this and you will get the answer. Come on, fast. Keep your notebook, textbook with you always while watching the video. Come on, what is the answer? I'll leave it to you because you'll know better how to divide. Okay. Next. Have you ever crossed a long bridge? About how many meters long was it? Okay, you may have traveled to many places. That time you may go or cross a bridge. Okay, by train or by road also you can see many bridges. So how many meters long it is? You have to write here. Okay. Everyone looks down at the river. Mr. Rakesh, the water level now is quite low. Now they are discussing about water level. It must be about 40 meters below the bridge. This is bridge. The water level this is bridge. The water level is 40 meters below the bridge. Means this distance is 40 meters. Now, but in the rainy season, the water had risen. Then it was just about 15 meters below the bridge. Okay, in rainy season, it will come above. Okay, means this distance. Okay, only 15 meter. Now, what is the difference between the water level of the Narmada in the rainy season and now? Okay, it was 40, then in rainy 15. So what is the difference? 40 minus 15. Correct. 25. 25 meters. Okay. The children discuss about the river for some time. Now, here we have finished page number 26. Now, let's learn about Narmada River and Narmada Bridge. Okay, Narmada River, its origin is Bharuch district, Gujarat. Okay, Bharuch district, Gujarat. Its length is 1312 kilometer. Okay, length, how long it is. Now, this is one of the Narmada bridge. Its length is 1344 meters. Okay, means around 1 kilometer and 344 meters. And its width is 22.8 meters. Okay, so each bridge has its length and width that you have to understand. Whenever you come across any bridge, try to get the information about its length and width. Next, top bridges of India. Some of the bridges of India. Okay, top bridge, their length, width. Okay, you may learn in higher classes, but just now we will have a overlook. Bandra Worli Sea Link. It is a sea link. Okay, why? Because this is Arabian Sea. Okay, on which this bridge is built. And how long it is? Do you know? It's about 5.6 kilometer, means 5 kilometer and 600 meters. Okay, means around 5.5 kilometer. It's long. Okay, and its width is 40 meter. Okay, how long it is? 5 kilometer and width is 40 meter. Bandra Worli Sea Link in Mumbai. Next, Mahatma Gandhi Setu in Patna. How long it is? 5.75 kilometer, means longer than this Bandra Worli Sea Link, which is 5.6 kilometer. And how wide it is? 25 meter. Mahatma Gandhi Setu in Patna. Now next is Pamban Bridge. Where is it? Rameshwaram. See, the length is 6,776 feet or 2065 meter. 2065 meters means around 2 kilometer. Okay, so among these three, which one is the longest? Among these three, which one is the longest? See, I told you this is 5.6 kilometer, this is 5.7 kilometer, and this is 2 kilometer. Now among these three, this one is the longest. Next, now this is worksheet which you have to complete. One bus can cover 50 kilometer distance in 1 hour. So how many hours it would take to cover 300 kilometer distance? Very easy. Think and write. If you have started journey towards Coimbatore from Arankadu at 9 am, the distance is around 70 kilometer and your father is driving at 35 kilometers per hour. At what time you would reach to Coimbatore? Okay, very easy. One bus is 6 meters long. How many buses can stand in a line on 600 meters long bridge? Okay, just like previous example, you can solve this. Now fourth one, Nivedit has started his journey by train from Coimbatore to Pune. The distance is around 1500 kilometer, 1500 kilometer. The train is covering 50 kilometer distance per hour. So Nivedit will reach to Pune in dash hours. In how many hours he will reach? Okay, divide and get the answer. Find out which is the longest river of India. How long is it? Okay. Now classwork and homework. Complete textbook exercise given at page number 25 and 26. This 25, 26. Okay, with the pencil you can draw the pictures. Okay, no need to color it, just draw neatly. Now complete worksheet. This worksheet you have to complete. Read about the top 10 bridges of India. Okay, like these three, you read about top 10 bridges, their length, width. Okay, you understand. No need to write in notebook, just read and get the information. Till the next class, stay home, stay safe, keep learning, happy learning.